Hi everyone, very warm welcome to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? I hope that you people are pretty fine and doing very well. In today's video I'm gonna share with you high waist, flared and shift and also pleated and mermaid style and different styles of skirts designs. I hope you will enjoy these ideas, so don't skip the video, watch till the end. These are the beautiful high waist flared skirts that you can wear these skirts with beautiful colorful and floral blouses, and also with your lace blouses. So friends, if you like these skirts ideas, then hit the like button, and if you are new at my channel, you can visit on my channel once. There I have shared lots of skirts ideas like pencil skirts, lace skirts, midi skirts and different ideas I have shared on my channel, so must visit and watch them. For back-to-back videos, you can check those ideas in playlist of skirt designs. You will get back-to-back beautiful ideas. So friends, today's video is related to skirt designs. These every designs are different from each other and beautiful cut and patterns. I hope you enjoy this. So now tell me about today's video in the comment section, and if you have any kind of demand, write your demand in the comment section. I'll make a video as soon as possible. Now let me say to take care of yourself friends. Bye bye.